Hi guys, this is your instructional video for December 10th through the 11th. So basically what I want you to be doing for Family Living is to be working on the midterm review sheet, which of course is posted on Sycamore, and the instructions on the assignment. All you have to do is click on the first tab for the assignment and you'll see the midterm posted in there. But basically I want you to look up the answers and fill this out. There are 100, excuse me, not 100, definitely not 100 guys. There are 50 questions on there and you want to just finish it. And then you're going to turn it into me and then I'm going to check over your answers for you and let you know if any are wrong. And then you're going to have your own study guide for your midterm. Your midterms are not until January, but we want to just get ahead and have something for you to look at so that you can study it. I decided to ask you guys to fill it out this time just to help you with reinforcing and remembering what we've learned in this first half of Family Living. And then after the midterms, we'll be starting a new book, but this is the one that we'll be doing, that we just finished, is the one that we'll be having on our midterm. So if you have any questions, please feel free to email me and ask me, and I'll do my best to help you. Thank you.